So I just recently picked up the SYLVANIA smart bulbs from Amazon, and it is a game changer. We live in a really small apartment in New York City, so you might not think that we would need these like smart LED bulbs because everything is really close, but that's just not true. One of the great reasons, you're coming home, you're carrying the pup, you're carrying groceries, boom, turn on the lights. That is a huge help. Because our apartment's so small, we built a loft. So our bed is 6 feet off the ground, and sometimes we climb up there and we forget to turn the lights off. So that is another huge advantage of just being able to say, hey, turn the lights off, please. So lately, what we've been doing is we put on a movie, flick on the Christmas tree lights, and we'll change the color of the bulbs to red, dim them down to like 50%, and it's so easy. We're taking full advantage of the lights and being able to control them, not only in the house, but through the app if you are out and about. We never realized just how convenient it was to have smart bulbs. The convenience of the smart bulbs is just one of those little things throughout the day that just makes your life easier. It's really great being able to control the intensity of the light too, because at the end of the day, you don't want this bright, blinding light right in your eyes. So it's fantastic just to be able to say, hey Alexa, hey Google, turn the light intensity down to 25%, 50%.